Welcome to K-Catalogue, your Taglish Korean compilation. This channel intends to teach the Korean language in Tagalog or Taglish and will be following the Korean Immigration and Integration Program or KIIP course outline. If you're new to this channel, baka gusto mong i-check yung previous lesson natin. Also, you may hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Again, I suggest that you have a pen and paper with you or anything that you can use to jot down some notes and magagamit mo to practice writing. Again, we have 6 parts for the KIIP's course outline. And if you are subscribed to our channel or nakafollow ka sa ating Facebook page, tapos na natin yung ating basic level. And the last video uploaded for that is the useful expression. So, meron na tayong playlist for basic level. So, if you want to master yung Korean alphabet or Hangul, then you can always check yung ating videos for that. And if na-complete mo siya from the start up to the useful expression, I assume na somehow marunong na tayong magbasa ng Korean. And moving forward from level 1 pataas, more on grammar and construction ng kanilang sentence yung pag-aaralan natin. And so, to start our first lesson for our level 1, nakalagay dyan, danwon 1 or danwon il, annyeonghaseyo. So, danwon means unit. And then yung number 1 in Korean is il. Again, danwon il, it means unit 1. And ang title ng ating unit 1 is annyeonghaseyo. If you can remember, annyeonghaseyo is how they say hi or hello or kumusta. Yung pag-greet nila in Korean. Then yung nasa baba naman, juje, insawa soge. Juje means topic. And then yung insawa soge, it means greeting and introduction. And then we have ohui, it means vocabulary. So for this topic, tatlong words yung bibigyan diin natin. So we have i름, jigop, and gukjok. So later on, malalaman nyo yung meaning nila. Last is grammar. So for this video, we're going to learn ieo versus yeyo. So for this slide, naka-circle yung 등장 인물. Again, that's 등장 인물. It means mga karakter or tauhan. So since ang gamit natin na textbook is yung ginagamit sa KIIP, sila yung mga characters that you will see throughout the course. For this slide, nakalagay dyan, 이 사람들은 무엇을 해요? Again, that's 이 사람들은 무엇을 해요? So, ibig sabihin, ano daw yung ginagawa ng mga tauhan sa picture. So, in English, what do these people do? And then, yung nasa baba naman is, 여러분은 어떻게 인사해요? Again, that's, 여러분은 어떻게 인사해요? So, tinatanong naman tayo kung paano yung way of greeting natin. So, it's like asking, how about in your country? How do you greet others? Next slide, you'll see a different picture and then nakalagay dyan, 이름이 뭐예요? 이름이 뭐예요? Ito yung ating first vocabulary, 이름. So, 이름 means pangalan or name. 이름이 뭐예요 simply means, what's your name? Then, yung nasa ibaba, 이야기해 보세요. 이야기해 보세요. It means, try to say it or try to tell it. So, ano yung pinapasabi or pinapasay? Yung ating i름 or name. Now, let's get to know the names of our characters. So, ang basa natin is from left to right and then yung sa baba naman. Okay, so the first 3 characters that we have, their names are Jamshid, Ramin, Angela. So, we have Jamshid, Ramin, Angela. So, next we have Iring, Jason, Rahman, Gochon, Kim Songmin. And then yung pinakababa naman, we have Bak Minsu, Bak Silgi, Huen, Anais. Now for our first grammar, we're going to learn about ieo versus yeyo. This slide, ang setting is sa loob ng classroom and ang character natin is si Huen and si Angela. Now, they're trying to introduce themselves to each other. So, sabi nung isa, Huen yeyo. And then, sumagot naman si Angela, Angela yeyo. Now, let's check yung ating another example. So, ga na conversation. Sabi ni ga, Jason Yeo. So nagtatanong siya, are you Jason? And then sumagot si Na, ne, Jason Yeo. Yes, I'm Jason. Another example sa baba, Rahman Yeo. Are you Rahman? And then ang sagot ni Na, Aniyo, Jamshid Yeo. No, I'm Jamshid. So si Eo, ginamit siya sa pangalan ni Huen and ni Jason. So that's Huen Eo, Jason Eo. So pag binasa mo siya ng mabilis, Huen Eo, Jason Eo. And then si Yeo naman kay Jamshid and kay Angela. So Jamshid Yeo, Angela Yeo. So the rule is if the noun ends with a consonant, we use Eo. And if the noun ends with a vowel, then we use Yeo. Balikan natin yung example names natin kanina, si Huen at saka si Jason. So both of their names ends with the consonant Niyun. That's why Eo yung ginamit. And then for Jamshid and Angela naman, since nag-end yung kanilang pangalan sa vowel, so for Jamshid we have vowel U, and for Angela the vowel A. That's why ang ginamit sa kanya is Yeo. So madali lang siyang tandaan. Kapag ang pangalan ay nag-end sa consonant, gagamitin natin yung Eo. Pero kapag ang pangalan ay nag-end sa vowel, we're going to use Yeo. So let's try to apply and check natin if naintindihan natin. Again, yung underlined words, sabi, 이름이 뭐예요? 이야기해보세요. So again, ito yung sinasabi kapag gusto mong itanong yung pangalan ng isang tao. Sa first example natin, we have Huen and Gochon. Sabi ni Huen, 안녕하세요, Huen이에요. So nagpapakilala siya. Hi, I'm Huen. So same lang yung sagot ni Gochon. 안녕하세요, 고천이에요. Now it's your turn. So meron dyan yung 1, 2, and 3 nakalagay yung pangalan ng bawat character. So try to answer if we're going to use Eo or Yeo. So these are the answers. So for Jamshid and Angela, since their names are ending in vowel, ginamit natin si Yeo. For Iring and Rahman, since nag-end yung pangalan nila sa consonant, consonant E yung kay Iring and consonant Ni yung kay Rahman, Eo yung ginamit natin. So Jason and Ramin, same sila, ang last letter ng kanilang pangalan is the consonant Ni yun. So ang answer is Eo. And that's it. Again, if you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to comment down below. And if you find this video helpful or will be beneficial to anyone you know who's interested in Korean language, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. So I still hope to see you in the upcoming videos, and again, thanks for watching.